Lastly, I'm hoping this is my last one on this same lesson, I would like to explain to you how a significance test is working. So you have a claim that's made. Okay, a claim is made. It's 90% of our luggage is recovered within 24 hours. Now, it's not always going to be 90%. Sometimes it's going to be 92. Sometimes it's going to be 89. Sometimes it might be 95. I don't know. So this varies. Samples vary. We understand that. The question is, how far apart, how different is the sample from the true population proportion? So the question is, like, we're only getting 84. Is 84 a far distance from 90%, or is it somewhat close distance to 90%? And so what we want to do is, because we know that our samples vary, we've got to figure out, is this a rare sample or just a sample that normally, naturally occurs? So when we get down to our p-value, we found that it's a pretty low chance of that happening. It's almost zero, right? 0.02. It's got, 2% chance of that happening. Anything that's less than 0.05, if that's our significance level, is a rare sample. So now I start to wonder, well, did we get such a rare sample, something that's almost impossible to have happen? Or do we start doubting that 90% is the true value that the company is reporting? So because the sample is so rare, I start wondering, I don't really think that 90% is true, because I think that it's probably lower than 90%, because if this 0.9 was not as high, the chance of getting that sample wouldn't be as low. So that's where it gets, it's weird, is it's like, okay, I know that the sample can happen. It's not like it's impossible, but it's a very, very unlikely sample to attain. And it happened. So now I start wondering, you know what, I think something else is going on. I think that the airline they've got it too high, and it's probably less than 0.90. So hopefully that makes a little more sense. I'll talk more about this in future significance test videos. Okay, guys, have a good day. That might be the third time I'm saying that to you. So I'll have our next video soon, tomorrow probably. Goodbye.